5 AM. I'm just woken up to get a taxi. Ben's gone to brush his teeth. It's cold, which is a little weird. It's the first time being cold in about 2 months. So our taxis are here now. So let's go do this shit.
Va a solear todo el día.
Machu Pichu es en la selva.
La selva, sí, mucha calor.
Ah, sí. Yeah. It's hot. Let's have a look. Fingers crossed. Yeah, look, Ben. 5 kg on the hand luggage.
That is bullshit.
Mine's getting only got pretty busy. No? Because I need to empty a load off.
¿Qué número tienes?
45. Tourism.
That's a bit of tourism, don't you, Ben?
Yeah,
Camera, mate. An awkward social situation. Not really awkward, is it?
Everyone's putting it right in my face. You love it, mate. And here we are, Aguas Calientes. This place is going to be savage. Yeah. Look at that. Oh. There's people waiting for us, Ben, like at the airport when we arrive. Let's film really awkwardly. Where do we go? Straight into the market. Just want a souvenir, don't we, Ben? That's all we want. Fuck you. How can these guys make money when there's so many of these shops? I think it's safe to say if you want a Peru souvenir, this is the place to come. Definitely. They have all these really weird dogs here. Look at this, look at this. Look at this guy, that guy's sick, look at that. Hey. Like, I don't even know what breed or crossbreed or what even animal or species that is. That might be a new species right there, but we might have discovered something, mate.
It's an armadillo dog wearing a fucking coat.
It's a crazy ass dog, right?
Oh, it's an armadillo dog there, Joe.
What's going on there? What the?
Pardon, senor.
It's not too shabby, eh?
Oh, okay.
So now we're going to find a hostel.
See what you've done, Aguas Calientes.
What's that? Just basically made a bit of a paradise. Look at this. Ideal.
He's taking me a waterfall as well.
Where? Oh yeah, there is your waterfall, Ben. Incredible mountain range we're surrounded by. Look at it, look at it.
Chica down there as well, mate.
A chica. So basically it's 11 o'clock, just arrived. Now we're going to find a hostel, drop our shit off, buy our tickets for tomorrow, and Ben's going to buy loads of clothes and shit probably. Fucking steep, mate.
Yeah, that's right.
So we just...
But he knows we don't understand fully, I suppose.
We're just speaking some Spanish, weren't we, Ben?
Yeah, smash the back doors of the Spanish.
Smash the back door. So we just found the entrance to Machu Picchu, which is there tomorrow. So basically it opens at 5, so we're going to get there for 5, hopefully. I want to be some of the first people up. And it's like an hour walk up a really steep hill. Something like that. We'll basically get to like the top of that. One of them. And then you can actually go into like the city of Machu Picchu at 6. And then we just chill there. Then there's another 3-hour hike if you want to a higher mountain, which we might do. We're just going to find like a packed lunch for us tomorrow because you can't buy food up there. So, hostel room, little dorm room, 30 sols a night, it's pretty banging. Ben's on the little outside bar.
Staff.
Weed for the staff.
Ah, weed.
Interesting. Fuck, look at this. There's just a random kitten in the room. Whoa. Pretty cool, mate. What are you going to name him?
Hey, Puffy.
Puffy?
That's cool, puta. Oh,
Love his face paint, Ben. Did you paint the dog's face?
No. Hello, millions of YouTube viewers. I'm here with this dog. Dog in Spanish is perro.
What's his dog's
Similar
name?
to
Look,
Buck.
someone's drawn on his face and the most of his body, which is quite interesting. Though he seems fairly happy. This is a cool hostel. There's just animals everywhere. So we're gonna go to sleep. Look at the time. I can't even see it in this light. It's like 20 to 10. So we're gonna knock out. Ben's gonna set his alarm, which everyone in this room is gonna love. All the 8 other people sleeping here.
There is 8 people.
Wake us up at like 4 o'clock in the morning. Rinse the
There's
breakfast.
a couple there.
I know they're French, mate. I was gonna talk to them.
They're
Now.
Spanish. The woman who was serving us this morning on reception's here. There's a bloke there. There's one there and there's obviously...
Anyway, we're gonna wake them all up with our alarm at like 4 in the morning.
I feel you need to have the alarm.
Well, okay.
Okay.